Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Jagdale. Today's topic the introduction of the pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance is the science and uh, activity relating to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effect or, or any other related problems. Uh, or any other related problems, and the four important terms in pharmacovigilance, that is a detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention. Detection, for example, in clinical trial, it's the investigator or any post marketing trials. It's either the physician or the prescriber, or the patients himself who reports the adverse event or any related problems. And then the assessment for example, the investigator or the healthcare professional, and the healthcare professional who would assessing the adverse event or drug related problems. Then understanding the reporter and the in understanding the reporter and the specialist, can reporter and safety specialist is involved in the understanding and the adverse event or drug related problems. Then prevention is by proactively reporting the adverse event or drug related problems to the regulatory authority, and taking precautionary actions would help in preventing the adverse event in futures. Then aims and scope of the pharmacovigilance, that patient care, to improve the patient care and safety in relation to the medicines and the medical and the paramedical interventions. And then public health, to improve the public health, and to improve the public health and safety in relation to the use of medicines. Risk benefit assessment, that the to contribute to the assessment of a benefit, harm effectiveness and the harm effectiveness and the risk of medicines. And the communication, to promote the understanding, clinical training, and the effective communication to health professional and the public health. Then objective of the pharmacovigilance is the reduction of the reduction of the frequency and the severity of the adverse effect of drugs, while maintaining or better and improving their efficacy. Then uh, why pharmacovigilance is important, uh, that is a that is humanitarian concern, and the safe use of medicines, and adverse drug reactions are expensive. Then promoting rational use of the medicines and the adherence, ensuring public confidence. And then ethical concerns. Mm, then mm, uh, why do need the pharmacovigilance? It has been suggested the adverse drug reaction cause of 5,700 death per year in UK. And adverse drug reactions were fourth sixth fourth six fourth sixth commonest cause of the death in the US in the 1994. And humanitarian concerns, that the insufficient evidence of the insufficient evidence of the safety from and the clinical trials, yeah, animal experiments. um, that is the what information is important to the pharmacovigilance. That is any informations on the adverse drug reaction or the lack of efficacy, adverse drug reaction or lack of efficacy connected with the use of the medical device or a drug product. Then on adverse drug reactions occurring uh, in the course of the use of the drugs, from the overdose, whether accidental or intentional, from drug abuse or misuse or a non approved use, then from drug withdrawal, and in the infant or a nursing mother. um then overview of the ICR processing in pharmacovigilance. That is the reception of case, then validation and duplicate check, then logging of the case and the triage, then data entry and quality review, then medical review and then case closure, and lastly generate report for the submission. Thank you.